Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing the chicken fried challenge. But I'm sorry that I haven't been here. I just been going to Marker. Shout out to her channel. Go to Alexis Marker and Alexis Marker. My cat is trying to eat everything. We're gonna try the chicken fries. Oh, you all want stuff. We're gonna try the chicken fries from Burger King. Shout out to Burger King. No. Okay. Give one to my cat. She like everything. I love the cat. Okay. I'll give you one. That's the video. You said something quick. Bless you. English? You weird. Yeah, my cat's still running. Everything's frozen. I'm gonna keep saying shit out. I can't even go to so good. I thought it was just cheese coming out and it was swirl. See, it's so big and good. So I hope you like the video. Peace.